We all got demons. But the real question is, when they show up, are you gonna fold or are you gonna fight?
Listen, you already know what the fuck going on. Showoff, aka King Brooklyn.
Hey, Showoff, you know I used to visit Richmond? He used to come out and battle in Richmond and shit. I'm not Lil Jack no more, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Remember that?
I don't sleep on bodies. Hypothetically, the weaponry gone. Lip zip, this shit that only God could question me on. Revolver, throw a bullet, you gon' intercept and be gone. iPhone pin, you'll get your screen locked for pressing me wrong. Too many times.
Fix the cable, it's a medium cross your chest and rip the label. Disobey you, cause you a Bronx nigga that love to dance, right? And this no fable. They go from look, y'all, he be getting sturdy. The dog, how do we keep him stable? This a
It was the smoke of NY, Dot Mob, NXL, Wave Gang, Brooklyn, New York. I get this league owner Camp Union belt. Y'all think I'ma let somebody come and snatch it from me?
I'm at an age you hope to make it to be. So for you young niggas calling me old, keep playing with me. I guess I am an OG. Put the grip on the walker to stay on my feet.
I said we live in hell today. Been trying to find God, but I don't never pray. For some niggas, a jail cell is heaven's gate. No work history, nothing but bodies on their resume. We throw thunder to Desi spray, smack niggas up the petty way. All I know is this foul shit. SGA, all I know is this foul shit. Chill.
Thank God, that last round didn't feel like an hour. Cause it really made me mad that I gotta stand up here with you cowards. I mean, for real, all you do is talk about nines and trades. Bitch, if you had thoughts of killing a goat, you wouldn't use a bunch of cowards. Like, be for real.
First of all, let me start by saying this. All that shoving and pushing, I ain't with that, Papa. Keep it to a minimum, cause I ain't with the rah-rah. Or it's me, it's 3 niggas in a brand new Honda, 45s, Glock 9s, couple of choppers. Nigga, I'm the animal you've been fearing your whole life, the one your mama told you about. Nigga, I'm the chupacabra.
Hey, what it do, man? It's your player partner, Jakkboy, Maine, man. Going down in Brooklyn, New York, you know what's happening. It's up, nigga. On Mama's 30 ball. Watch this.
April the 26th, Oracle Lounge, 2937 Atlantic Avenue. Showoff vs. Jakkboy, Maine. Yo, Brooklyn, we got one.